Red had magic.
Look how easy that is. What number even is that? Like, what is that? Is that like 91 quadrillion or something? What is that? Plus, what is only 8,000 wishes, which is pretty easy, right? I'm gonna add here 1 times by 5,000 stupid times by 10. Oh my god. I've actually lost. How have I lost? Yeah, I pretty much.
Oh wow, like once in a blue moon, the phone is actually on and you can start to talk.
Times by 15. Oh my
If
god.
I don't go on any.
Again. What am I doing?
मम्मा ऑपरेट वाला फोन लाइक 2 सेकंड्स के लिए वर्क करता है और फिर इमीडिएटली बंद होता है।
इसे बुखार आ रखा है।
बुखार कैसे फिक्स करता? That's not how you spell hate. Okay. Move. Hi. Where are you going? Time to drink water. Time to drink water. Random water sound effects. We're hacking my
Time to drink water. Time to drink water. Time to drink water.
Focus.
Time to drink water.
Focus.
Time to drink water.
Focus.
Time to drink water. Time to
Focus.
drink water. Time to drink water.
Sorry.
कोई और भी कर रहा है आपके साथ क्या?
Wow. Time to drink water. Time to drink water.
Panty.
Time to drink water.
Panty. Bubbly looks mad AF, so I want to show her to the viewers because she's smart. Hey chat, you wanna know why Bunty's glowing green?
It's actually 6. आवाज बंद करके सुनो।
Cocas.
Time to drink water.
Ah.
Woody.
She wanna be on the camera, dude.
अब बबली को भी कैमरा चाहिए। I want some camera too, Bapti.
Bubty.
Bapti.
No! Oh! You like men.
Humba.
Sigma.
Golagamba.
कहाँ पे? You like man. Sigma Babas. Wonder what this plus button does. Boop.
No.
I was curious.
बंद कर दे।
Focus.
बंद कर दो बनी।
नहीं ये 2 मिनट और लगा दी।
ठीक।
मम्मा जब आपने पूरा बंद कर बंदी ने बंदी क्या?
उधर देखो क्या हो गया। Persons. There are 9 persons.
9 people.
9 peoples are there.
The word will not be pure. Will not have an S. So it will just be there are 9 people
In there
watching the live stream.
on our live stream.
On our live stream.
On our live stream.
I was just stretching the sentence. It's still grammarly correct.
Oh. Okay.
Persons is not a word, by the way. Women scare me. Monkey's on the
Bunty woman scare you.
Mama Bubbly looks like she's so done with it. Done with it by mean annoyed or angry.
Angry people.
Angry.
Annoying people.
Annoying babas nito ko ka.